Welcome back. In this video, I will share how I built a plumber's booking system in the USA and made $1,200 fast. If you are looking for a side hustle that actually pays, this is it. Most plumbers still rely on phone calls for scheduling. That means missed calls, lost customers, and wasted time. I saw a chance to fix that with automation. I asked the plumber about his biggest issue: scheduling. He was losing jobs because he couldn't answer calls while working. My solution was a simple online booking system synced with his calendar. I built a clean website with a Book Now button. Customers could pick a time, enter details, and get instant confirmation. No more back and forth calls. I used affordable tools anyone in the USA can access. Then I added automated reminders, texts, and emails that cut no-shows by nearly half. Customers loved the convenience, and the plumber finally had control over his schedule. Within a month, he booked 20+ extra jobs. He paid me $1,200 for the setup, and now I have a repeatable system I can offer to other local businesses across the USA.